let's learn and practice that American R. Let's take this in steps. First, make an E. E. That's where your tongue belongs, touching your upper back teeth. E. Next, say that E again, but round your mouth and squish the sides shut. That's getting closer, isn't it? Next, you're going to reshape your tongue to fine-tune that sound. As you slide your tongue back, lift the tip. Don't touch the roof of your mouth with your tongue. Just curl the tip up. I'm continuing to slide my tongue back and lifting the tip. It takes some playing around, so use the tip of your tongue to fine-tune that sound. Lift it up, put it down, point it a little, flatten it a little. Do that as you draw your tongue backwards. So, can you get that sound? Let's use it in a real word, a useful word like form.
You have to fill a form. You have to fill a form and then you have to submit the form. As soon as you submit the form.
On the what? What do I have to fill out?
You have to fill a form, ma'am.
Okay, are you saying phone or foam?
A form, ma'am. You have to fill a form. I will guide you to the form.
Okay, are you saying phone or foam?
That's one of my favorite YouTubers, Kit Boga, making life difficult for a scammer who is not a native speaker. So let's practice the word form. We'll start with that fo sound and then slide your tongue back. Use the tip to find the R. Form. 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 Your tongue starts out kind of rounded and cylindrical for full. So again, as you go for that R, you're going to flatten it out against your upper back teeth and bring the tip up. Form. 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 Keep practicing that, and instead of slowly sliding your tongue into place, you'll be able to snap it into place. Form. 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 Form is a good, useful, challenging word to start with, but please, once you can say it right, unlike Kit Boga's scam bait victims, use your powers for good.
Don't take the computer. Okay, hold on.